Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we are going to be playing on my server. So you can see, as last video, we played on my friend Fisher 1517 server. Now we are playing on mine. I got one last night, and I've been actually working on it. So far, since I've done little coarse dirt decorations. I'm still working on the coarse dirt. Kind of getting little spaces filled in. You know, all that stuff, but I made some teleportations I want you to see. So right here, you spawn, and it says rules must read. So you teleport here, and you say rules. Rule 1, no breaking blocks. Rule 2, no PvP unless I say. Rule 3, don't build anything and spawn the big space. Rule 4, do not do TNT. Rule 5, don't grief or cuss or hack. This is back to spawn. Apply for staff. So it says you can only apply one a day. So book and quill. To apply for staff, right click on the book and put it in the hopper, and I will read it when you say done. If I'm not on the server, just throw the book in the hopper, and I will read it when I can. And then this is book and quill. And blah 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 blah. Put it in the hopper. Goes to here. But that's kind of all I've done so far. This is my friend, I don't know his actual name, but this is his house. He has a lot of furnaces, a couple storage things, and then right here that's a secret room to the outside. It's actually pretty cool. And then over here, I'll actually help him build this, so I'm going to change this time. Because I could. I'm glad he changed it to blue wool, because it looks like there's actually nothing there. But I'm actually going to change this to blue wool, because it looks better. So now, if you look, I'm lagging. Sorry about that. I lag. And then if you do this, it looks much like water. Just needs to be walking along here, not seeing anything. And if you go back in the house, you can see the blue. You can just do that. But anyway, on this server, we're actually going to try to go to Fisher 1517 server and see if he's up. Should be it. Sending you to pirate. Is he on? He's not on. So, I guess he's not on. I mean, that's okay, let's just get out of here. But, you guys remember this server? We did it yesterday. We did the house. After I ended the video, I literally made this thing. Goes up 200 blocks in the air. This is the build limit. Right here. If we can get to it. It's better if I just don't use fireworks. So if I do this. Darn it! Okay, but anyway, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I built the staff room. It says fired because that's the server name. You go in. I can't block it up. There we go. So we have the staff wall of ranks. So it says owner Fisher 1517, co-owner XX eliminated XX, and head builder is Cool Mining Guy 24, which is me. But get out of here. Anyway, so you remember the house we were building? I actually don't remember where it was. I need to find it. No. If we can't find it, we'll probably just play on my server. What's that? So, oh yeah, so before we hold on. Okay, sorry. Oh, after we left, we found the world border. There's actually a way to get over it. You go super far up in the air. Here's the end. Oh wait. No, you do slash through. Wait. How did I do it? I forgot how I did it. Oh, that's right. Okay, so you do /top right here, and then you see how it's all the way bottom here? You dig down one, dig down another, and do /through. And there we are, we're past the road border. I think we're past the road border. Oh yeah, we were. So yeah, that's how you get past the road border. You put in water. The road border is actually pretty cool. But you can't get past this point because there's an invisible wall. But yeah, we're probably just gonna play on my server. So yeah, let's just play on my server. So if we do /hub. Oh no, lag. And then /join. What was I gonna do? That's right. Oh, that's my server name, by the way. Little dogs. So I like little dogs. Is anyone on? No. But by the way, on my server, I can also nick myself. So it says and fly mode for a wolf boy, even though my name is Cool Mining Guy. So if I type in chat like lol, like this is type lol, or like that, it says wolf boy. But anyway, so today we are gonna go build a house. Of how I like to build houses, so I just need to find a good spot. Oh my man, this is a big birch thing, or whatever it's called. I don't even know the biomes. What I just said, biomes, the birch biomes. But we're gonna do a house today. It's gonna be not a big one. It's not gonna be one of those huge ones. It's just gonna be a little one. But anyway, let's get started. So guys, I got my base plate in the middle of the air. It's kind of big, but we're gonna do some decorations on it. So first, these are the materials you're gonna need. Roll edit. If you don't have it, then just get the materials I have. So get spruce wood planks, oak wood planks, and dark oak planks. Next, you're gonna need is cobblestone, polished granite, polished andesite, and that's all for that one. And then now you're going to need quartz. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to do this. So you're going to put these materials all in your thing, all in your inventory. Now you're going to, oh wait, so, let me do something wrong for a second. Maybe we can bring this down. Boom. And boom. And then do some. I see this works. Start down. Darn it. Okay, well, let's just go build it down here. Build it right here. Perfect. That's not perfect. We need to find a place to build it. I just remembered. Well, just actually, guys, let's build a treehouse. So, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need oak wood planks and spruce wood, and now you're gonna need a fence for the first part. Now, what you're gonna need is teleport to a jungle because I need to teleport to a jungle, or you can go to these little biomes. But let's just go find a good spot. I'm hearing the dragon sound, like when you kill a dragon. You guys don't hear it because my computer audio is not working for this thing, but that's weird. That was super weird. Alright, sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to start building mine right here. So, actually, know what we can do? Planet. Because all this time I've been, like, looking for, a jungle. Like, for the last 25 days on the server, I've been looking for a jungle to do this video on. Even though I haven't been videoing for that long, I've been planning to do that. So I've been, like, finding them, but I've been so done so far. So let's search up on because we need plants. Thank you. These are the wrong ones. Let's just, yeah, these are the wrong ones. Jungle. There we go. Oh, lag. You see that? I have big lag spike. Alright guys, I think today we're just gonna do the tree and show you how the trees are gonna be. So I'm gonna show you how to manually place the trees. So you're gonna place a 4x4 and put the 4x4s on that. Just like this, you're gonna get a tree. Now you're gonna go over to like 2 trees next. And you're gonna place 2 things of grass. Place them on there and grow. Got them both. Just like that. Then go to about diagonal 5 trees, right about here. Place a 4x4. Just like this. And now, go ahead. Now you have 3 trees. You want to put another one right here. So you're going to take 1, 2, 3, just like this. Put saplings on top, of course, and then grow them. Now you got your 4. Now we're probably gonna have around as many trees as you want, but this is how I'm gonna do it. You guys can always follow along if you want. But now you're gonna place about 4 trees diagonal. You're gonna place 4 saplings and 4 grass like this. Perfecto. Now what you're gonna do? Oh wait, I just thought of something. You can do this on my server. Yeah, let's go do this on my server, guys. So I'll cut it out. So guys, I guess we were on my server. I didn't really know this, but anyway, now you're gonna place some trees. We're gonna place just like this, a 6, or like a 3x3, I should say. Plant them all saplings and grow them. There you go. I have this. You're gonna grow these ones individually. This is gonna be like your mace tree, where like most of the big things gonna go on, because we have a big tree right here. Well, it's not that big. I mean, still. Now you're gonna place 2 right here. So 1, 2, and then another 1, but 1 tree next to it. 1, 2. Place your saplings, whatever, and grow them. Grow them both. Wait, on this one, sorry guys, I forgot. Let's do this. Now, you have your 4 trees. Place 1 huge one and tall one in the middle. Or actually, not tall. Don't do tall. Actually, if you want to, you could do a tall one. But I'm going to do just 2 trees just like this. I'm just going to do like just like this. There we go. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the materials that you're gonna build for the next video. Or if you want to, guys, we can always start it out today. But I probably don't think we can because I don't have enough time. But now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna place. Well, it depends on what color you want your thing to be, but you're going to place that very tall tree as the main base, like where you meet up with the people. You guys can also extend these off the roofs like this, but we're just building this base plate of this, and then like on the next video, if you guys leave a like, we will, so anyway guys, I will see, oh wait, alright, anyway guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to see when I post videos. Good! Bye!